Okay.
The controls are with you.
Yes, but the screen went blank. I don't know why.
No, no, press once. It will be okay.
Okay.
I think it's.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, नमस्सर्वेभ्यः. अद्य सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः कारकप्रकरणे 33 पाठः. अक्टोबर् मासस्य 7 दिनाङ्कः. येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते. पंचमी विभक्तेः अभ्यासः प्रदत्तः आसीत्. So we will just go through the exercises of Panchami Vibhakti, and then we'll move on with the Shashti Vibhakti classes. Okay. So Panchami Vibhakti, there was a exercise where there were the word in the bracket has to be replaced by the correct Vibhakti. Right. So tat vina trinamapi na jalati. So what options do we have for the Vibhaktis? के विभक्तयः भवन्ति अत्र किं रूपम्?
One possibility is tasmat.
तस्माद् विना,
tam vina and tena vina.
तं विना तेन विना तस्माद् विना इति तिस्रः विभक्तयः सम्भवन्ति. किं सूत्रम्? पृथग् विना नानाभिस्तृतीयान्यतरस्याम् इति सूत्रेण पृथग् विना नाना इत्येतैः योगे द्वितीया तृतीया पंचमी इति तिस्रः विभक्तयः सम्भवन्ति. राइट. अस्तु, अग्रिमम् अस्ति आ बाल हरिभक्तिः दृश्यते अत्र. So maybe a minute, since there are only 3 of us, we can take it in turns. Padma Mami, can you speak and just give the answer?
राम सौम्या.
राम.
आंग मर्यादा वचने इति सूत्रेण तत्र आबालात् हरिभक्तिः दृश्यते अत्र.
सत्यम. आबालात् आबालेभ्यः. You can do either. I mean, because we are talking about, say, children, better have बहुवचन. बहुवचनं शोभते. तो हि बहवः बालाः इति. आबालेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः आंग मर्यादा वचने इत्यनेन कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञा, पंचमी तु पंचम्यपांग परिभिः इति सूत्रेण. सो उभयं वक्तव्यं भवति. कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञा विधायकम् आंग मर्यादा वचने इति सूत्रम्. मर्यादायाम् अभिविधौ च आंग इत्येतत् कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञकं भवति. ततः पंचम्यपांग परिभिः इत्यनेन अप आंग परि कर्मप्रवचनीयसंज्ञकैः एतैर्योगे पंचमी विभक्तिर्भवति. महाराज्ञी नृत्यं वीक्षते सिंहासन इत्यस्ति.
So just give me a minute. Maybe there's a problem with the screensaver.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Just I'm not sure. Let me see.
Fine.
Yes, Somaji. That is a problem.
Oh, wait. Okay.
I think it's okay. The file should be here.
The file went off.
Did I close the file?
I don't know. I mean, I didn't notice you closing it.
Maybe that's okay. I think I made a mistake. Yeah.
No problem.
Yes, Amit.
Okay.
Sorry for the trouble.
Hey, no problem. It's good that at least this is working so we can have both the screen and the audio. Okay. So next, Sadagopanji, would you like to try this?
Can you hear me? Because I am on a new machine. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I can hear
I
you.
can't see the. Oh, okay then.
You cannot see the
Maharaj,
screen, is it?
I can see the screen, but I don't have the right handle by which I can chat and I can
Oh, okay.
mute myself or something like that.
Oh.
Those options are not.
Oh, okay.
Maharaj, no, I don't see the screen right now. Maharaj,
Yeah, I don't know what's happening. It goes off on and off. Huh. Simhasana ityasti nrityam vikshate.
That is this thing, Tumanartha. Simhasanat.
Simhasanat nrityam vikshate.
Simhasanam aruhya. Simhasanam upavishya.
Simhasanam aruhya अथवा सिंहासने उपविश्य उभयथा भवति.
नृत्यं.
तत्र ल्यब्लोपे कर्मण्यधिकरणे च इति वार्तिकेन यत्र ल्यबन्तस्य अप्रयोगः आरुह्य अथवा उपविश्य इत्यस्य अप्रयोगः तत्र कर्मणः सिंहासनम् आरुह्य इत्युक्ते कर्मणः अथवा सिंहासने उपविश्य इत्युक्ते अधिकरणस्य च पञ्चमी विभक्तिः भवति. सिंहासनात् नृत्यं वीक्षते. I don't know, the problem still persists. Maybe you can just keep the controls and
You may please mute me generally so that
yeah,
allow
sure.
me when you, because I can't handle it.
Yeah, sure. So when I tell you next, you can control it. Let's see if it works better. So aham shvaha grama pratyagachami. Manu Prakash ji.
Gramat, I think aham shvaha gramat pratyagachami.
Gramat pratyagachami.
Pratyagachami.
So the
I'm not sure of the sutra, but
it is the normal apadana.
yeah, Dhromapaya Apadanam.
Dhrumapaya apadanam. Gramat, I'm coming from the village, so there is a separation. Vishleshaha. Mama gramasya cha vishleshaha drishyate. Tatra avadhibhutah ग्रामः अतः ध्रुवमपाये अपादानम् इत्यनेन अपादान संज्ञा अपादाने पंचमी इत्यनेन पंचमी विभक्तिः. Okay, so next सः पापी कुकर्म न जुगुप्सते. पद्मा मम्मी.
जुगुप्सा विराम प्रमादार्थानाम् उपसंख्यानाम् इति वाक्येन सः पापी कुकर्मात् न जुगुप्सते.
Any corrections from anybody? You are correct. I mean, the sutra is correct. Kintu rupam kim bhavati? Kukarma. Kukarman. Asataha mayaiva dosha krataha. Kukarman iti nakarantam. Karma. Karman shabdaha. Ataha panchami vibhakto kim bhavati?
कुकर्मणः.
Kukarmanaha. Next, Bhanu Prakash ji, the answer please. Kukarmanaha अथवा कुकर्मभ्यः. एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा समानार्थकत्वं. There is no such specification here. We can use both. कुकर्मणः अथवा कुकर्मभ्यः. जुगुप्सा विराम प्रमादार्थानाम् उपसंख्यानम् इति वार्तिकेण पंचमी विभक्तिः. अग्रिमम् कृष्णः सान्दीपनि अध्ययत. सडगोपन जी.
Yes. Krishnaha Sandipat, that is Adhyana.
Correct. That is right. But what is the Panchami Vibhakti of Sandipani? It's an Ikaranta Shabda.
Sandipani, that also Nakaranta.
Ikaranta. Sandipani. It is Ikaranta. Like Hari. Like you have.
Sandipani.
Ah.
Sandipanehe. Adhyaita.
Krishnaha Sandipanehe Adhyaita.
Good.
So the
Thank you
sutra.
for several years. I have been at it.
When I initially gave the example, I mean, the exercise, everything was akaranta. So then I decided I should change it in some places purposefully. So that, okay. Akhyata upayoge ityanena apadanatvam. Akhyata upayogah nama niyamapurvaka vidyasvikaraha. तत्र आख्याता नाम वक्ता अपादानसंज्ञकः भवति. अपादाने पञ्चमी इत्यनेन पञ्चमी विभक्तिः. Okay, next. अधमर्णः उत्तमर्ण अन्तर्दधाति.
The
Manuprakash.
rule is Dhariruttamvarnaha and the form I am not sure.
Well, what does Dhariruttamvarnaha say?
It says he is, I mean, the person who is borrowing is sort of afraid of the person who lends him.
No, Dhariruttamvarnaha is dharayati. When the word dharayati is used to owe something. Say, Harihi bhaktaya moksham dharayati. Hari owes moksha to his devotees. Because he has taken, borrowed the bhakti, whatever is offered from bhakti out of him, he owes it. So, Dhariruttamvarnaha iti sampradana samyakaha. Okay, it's a sampradana samya when the word dharayati is used. Okay, here there is no dharayati, right? Antardadhati, he hides himself from the lender. Tatra kim bhavati. Can anybody else try? What should be the form here? So generally, forget about the Adhamarna and Uttamarna. That was only for the purpose of misleading. So just forget something, somebody else. Ramaha dash antardadhati. From. So naturally it has to be from. Uttamarnat. Adhamarnaha uttamarnad antardhanati. Iti rupam. Kim sutram. Anybody? Yes, Padma Mami. I'll unmute you. So.
अंतर्धौ येन दर्शनम् इच्छति.
अंतर्धौ येनादर्शनम् इच्छति. येन अदर्शनम् इच्छति. मातुः निलीयते कृष्णः. Krishna hides himself from his mother with the intention that she should not see him. So here, Adhamarna, the borrower, hides himself from the lender so that he does not want to be spotted because he cannot return it. Right? So the answer, Manuprakash. So Uttamarnat iti rupam. Adhamarnaha Uttamarnad antardadhati. Antardhau yenadarshana vichhati ityanena apadana samya. Apadane panchami ityanena panchami vibhakti. So next one. Daya pari dharmo narajate. Padma Mami.
I don't know this from Daya. What I have to do, write, I don't know.
No, I mean, you have to write obviously Panchami Vibhakti. I mean, at least in most of the sutras here it has to be Panchami Vibhakti. Vina ityarthe pari ityasya prayogaha. So can anybody try? What is the thing here?
Dayayaha.
Dayayaha pari. Because daya is strilinga, like Rama. Akaranta strilingaha daya shabdaha. Dayayaha pari dharmo narajate iti rupam. Kim sutram katham panchami bhaktihi. Sutram to jananteva. Adyeva purvamapi agatam sutram. The answer. Panchamyapang paribhihi varjanarthe. So apapari varjane ityanena karma pravachaniya samya. Panchamyapang paribhihi ityanena पञ्चमी विभक्तिः. नेक्स्ट् उपपरिवर्जने इति कर्मप्रवचनीयत्वं ततः पञ्चमी. दाने नास्ति. नो नो नेक्स्ट् वन् इट्स् फैन् यू कैन मूव. कर्ण प्रति सदगोपन्जी.
दाने नास्ति must be कर्णात् प्रति.
कर्णात् प्रति कर्णसदृशः नास्ति इत्यर्थः. देयर इज नन इक्वल टू कर्ण इन चैरिटी.
कर्णात्
किं
प्रति
सूत्रम्?
number the same thing. अपपरि no पंचमी अपांग परिभि.
No, but there is no pari aparang.
It's very complicated.
But you only said just now, but now you are saying no.
No, the previous.
दाने नास्ति.
No, the karnat prati is correct, but there is no.
दाने नास्ति कर्णं प्रति.
There is another sutra immediately following. I mean, it's the same prakarana. Karma prasaniya.
प्रति
Prati. Pratinidhi pratidane. Pratihi pratinidhi pratidanayoh.
प्रतिनिधि प्रतिदानयोः. Yes.
That is the sutra for karma prasana samya, and pratinidhi pratidane cha yasmat is the sutra. Next, the answer.
Sorry.
No. So pratihi pratidinhi pratidanayoh ityanena karma prasaniyatvam, and pratinidhi pratidane cha yasmat ityanena panchami vibhakti.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't see Padma Mami has written it. Okay. Next one. I think, I mean, since there are only three of us, we can keep all of us unmuted and anybody can speak and tell. We can avoid the chat anyway for one day. Akinchanaha saha balaha krichha adhitavan. So this is Manu Prakash ji's turn.
I can only guess, Swamyaji.
Yeah.
Kutrat.
Krichradadhitavan. Akinchana savalaha krichradadhitavan. With difficulty, I mean, with he didn't have much sadhana, instruments for study, so with difficulty ityarthaha.
Yes.
Oh.
Katham panchami sutram. Others? Anybody can say.
करणे च स्तोकाल्प कृच्छ कतिपयस्य असत्त्ववचनस्य.
करणे च स्तोक अल्प कृच्छ्र कतिपयस्य असत्त्ववचनस्य इति सूत्रेण पञ्चमी विभक्तिः. करणे पञ्चमी विभक्तिः भवति. कृच्छ्रादधीतवान्, स्तोकान् मुक्तः, अल्पान् मुक्तः इत्यादि.
अत्र द्रव्य अद्रव्य how can we know that द्रव्यम् अद्रव्यम्?
If it is a sadhana, say for example, there he gave stokat vishat. If it is used as an adjective to something else, it is a dravya. Right? I mean, it would be dravya, referring to a dravya. So difficulty is not a dravya, but say difficult path. Krichrena margena gatavan. Okay. So if you say if you take that example, Krichrena margena gatavan. So it is referring to marga, which is material. So tatra panchami na bhavati. Kintu Krichrad gatavan. He went with difficulty. If you are just specifying difficulty, it is a quality and not a sattvavachana. Okay. So Yugadi Paksha Pariksha Bhavishyati. Padma Mami.
युगादेः पक्षे परीक्षा भविष्यति.
युगादेः पक्षे परीक्षा भविष्यति.
कालात् सप्तमी च वक्तव्या.
सो पक्षे इत्यत्र कालवाचकम्, अतः कालात् सप्तमी च वक्तव्या. युगादेः
युक्त तदुक्त
तद्युक्ताद् अध्वनः पंचमी. सॉरी, तां तद्युक्तादध्वनः यतश्च अध्वकालनिमानं ततः पंचमी. ओके. नेक्स्ट आंसर. युगादेः पक्षे यतश्च अध्वकालनिमानं ततः पंचमी. So from where you are measuring either time or distance, that will be in panchami. So you have युगादेः. कालात् सप्तमी, and if it is a kalavachaka, we have saptami vibhakti pakshe. Next. Kaveri Prabhavati. Bhagamandala is the place of origin. That is where she flows from. Sadagopanji.
Bhagamandalat Kaveri Prabhavati.
ओके भागमण्डलात् कावेरी
प्रभवः
हा भुवः प्रभवः इत्यनेन किं भवति
from where it is starting.
नो what does it give पंचमी विभक्ति और अपादान संज्ञा
Oh.
No, there's no major difference, but if it is apadana samnya, we'll have two sutras. So, bhuvah prabhavah ityanena apadana samnya, apadane panchami ityanena panchami vibhakti.
Apadane panchami. Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Apadane panchami.
Ramah Ravana parajayate. Sadagopanji?
Ravanam parajayate.
Okay, good. Ramah Ravanam parajayate.
Parajayate.
So this was, what is the sutra?
Parajaya asodhaha eva panchami.
So if we use parajaya rasodhaha, it should have been Ravanat parajayate.
Oh, Ravanam.
You instinctively gave the right answer. It is Ravanam parajayate. This is also
No, that's what I said because
no, but the sutra is
asodhaha eva.
ha.
If
Okay. Oh, is it? Ha. Asodhaha tadaiva panchami. Ataha atra katham dvitiya?
Dvitiya parajayate. Asmi?
Dvitiya sutram kim? Ravanam parajayate.
Nijanta prayogam?
No. It is a
No.
It is not a nijanta.
It's not a janta.
It's a normal parajayate. Jayati iti tatra para ityupasarge atmane padam bhavati parajayate.
कर्तुमिष्टतमं
Aptu
हाँ कर्तुमीप्सिततमं कर्म इति कर्मत्वं कर्मणि द्वितीया इति द्वितीया विभक्तिः. So the reason I gave this is for that we have that parajaya rasodhaha, but that will not apply in this case because the vivaksha is Rama defeats Ravana. If it is the opposite vivaksha, Ravanaha Ramat parajayate, he cannot tolerate Rama or Rama's qualities. Tadatu Ravanaha Ramat parajayate iti prayoge parajaya rasodhaha iti sutrasya prayogah bhavitum arhati. So we cannot simply apply a rule. I mean, that is the reason I gave this. Just by looking at paraji, we cannot put panchami. Right? So अर्थस्यापि प्रामुख्यं भवति विशिष्य कारक प्रकरणे समास प्रकरणे अपि. ओके नेक्स्ट. हनुमान् समुद्रं तर्तुम् उद्युक्तः. महेन्द्र पर्वत.
But in the question you said Mahendra Parvatat already.
Oh yeah, I made that mistake in the file, right? Yeah, I corrected it when I was doing the questions. So yeah, Mahendra Parvatat Samudram Tartum Udyuktaha. Kim Sutram?
Bromava Apadatam.
So that is one possibility. I mean, generally you can say Apadana, but you can also say, because the Vivaksha, that is the translation says, he climbed up the Mahendra mountain and set forth. So Mahendra Parvatam Aruhya Samudram Tartum Udyuktaha. Sa yadi vivaksha, then we have that Lyablope Karmanyadhikaranecha. Mahendra Parvatat Samanyataha Apadanam api bhavitum arhati. Okay. So that is also there. But here, if the vivaksha is that he climbed up and then set forth,
yes.
so tas lebantasya aprayoge karmanaha panchami.
Correct.
Mahendra Parvatat. Okay, next. Okay. Padma Mami. Maybe somebody else can try because she tried the same thing last time. She got the same one. Okay, Sadagopanji, can you try this? Yeah, Padma Mami, you got the same, the same rule, so I just thought, somebody else.
समुद्रतीरात् लङ्का शतयोजने शतयोजनं वा
समुद्रतीरात् लङ्का शतयोजनम् अथवा शतयोजने किं तदेव वार्तिकं पूर्वमपि आगतं यतश्च अध्वकालनिमानं ततः पञ्चमी and tadyuktad adhvanah prathama saptamyau. So if it is a kalavachaka, we have only saptami, kalat saptami. But if it is a adhvavachaka, if it is a measure of distance, we have both prathama and saptami. Shatayojanam athava shatayojane. Right. Okay. So next. Sadagopanji. Viduraha dhritarashtram varayitum prayatata.
Papacharanat.
Papacharanat.
Papacharanat. Dardrastram varetum. Prayayata.
Prayatata. Sutram.
Vidaraha. Jugupsa Virama.
No, this is not Virama.
But there is some Jugupsa, I thought. No.
Yes, but I mean, if you have to use it, Jugupsa Virama Pramadarthakanam Prayoge eva. So when you use those words,
Varanarthanam, the Varayitum itself.
Varayitum Prayatata. So Varanarthanam Ipsitaha Irtyanena Apadana Samya Apadane Panchami iti Panchami Vibhakti. Next. Manu Prakash ji.
Sri Lankat Uttara Bharatadeshaha.
Sri Lanka Akaranta Strilingaha.
Oh, Sri Lankayaha.
Sri Lankayaha Uttara Bharatadeshaha.
Bharatadesha.
Kim Sutram?
Anyaraditarate Dikshabda Chutara Padajayukte.
So which is the one which is used here? Which among those?
Dik.
Dik Shabda?
Uttara is there, right?
But Uttara is not directly a Dik Shabda. It is a Digvachaka, but there is a pratyaya on it, the Ach pratyaya. Okay. So initially Dikshabdebhyaha Panchami bhavati Anyaraditararthe ittenena. Kintu then we also saw this last class Shashti Atasartha pratyayena. If it is Atasartha pratyaya, there will be Shashti. Okay. So Ach is a Atasartha pratyaya. So to prevent Shashti, he includes that Ach and Ahi again in Anyaraditararthe. Ach Ahi ityeto pratyayau vastutaha Atasartha pratyayau. Digvachakebhyaha eva vidhiyante. So all Atasartha pratyayas will be added to Digvachakas themselves. Okay. So all of them will be Digvachakas. Tathapi Shashthyatasartha pratyayena iti Shashthim varayitum punargrahanam asmineva sutra. So in the same sutra he includes Dikshabda and also Ach and Ahi. Anchuttara pada Ach Ahi. In all these cases, so to prevent that another sutra from applying, we have it again. Okay.
Yes.
So Shashti is prohibited.
Here we will not have Shashti. If it is some other Atasartha pratyaya, say Uttarataha, if you have Atas, then Sri Lankayaha Uttarataha, tatra Shashti vibhakti bhavitum arhati. Ach Ahi ityetat pratyayantanam tu Panchami vibhakti reva bhavati. So in a Strilinga you cannot make out Panchami or Shashti. In a Pullinga you can make it out. Mama Shala Itaha Samipa. Padma Mami.
Mama Shala Itaha Samipe.
Okay. Is that the only vibhakti possible? Can we have any other vibhaktis?
Samipam, can we say Dvitiya Swamiji?
Dvitiya, Samipam. Anything
Samipam.
else?
Only left is Panchami. Mama Shala.
The Samipat. Kim Sutram.
Durantiketu. Durantikastebhyaha Shashti cha.
Dvitiya cha. Durantikarthebhyaha Dvitiya cha iti sutram. But I think I made a mistake. Can you give the answer, Bhanu Prakash ji? Okay, I will put it clearly. There is no Saptami. There is Dvitiya, Tritiya and Panchami. Okay. Itas Samipe. How do we have? We do have the form of Samipe. How do we justify it? I have to think. I mean, usage is there, Samipe, but according to this rule, at least it is Dvitiya, Panchami or Tritiya. Durantikatebhyo Dvitiya cha ityanena. Ebhyah Dvitiya sya chat Panchami Tritiye cha. Okay. But
2, 3, 35 तो वो नहीं है. That number appears to be different.
correct. 2, 3, 35 is Durantikatebhyo Dvitiya cha.
Okay. Sorry.
No problem. But I think the whole thing, I have some doubt here, so I'll clarify this question. Maybe I made a mistake. Okay, I'll clarify this when after reading. So next, Saha Vrithaha Krishikaha Mrataha Lakshya Rupyaka. So that is the loan he had taken and he could not give it back. Himsat. Who is the next one? Sadagopanji.
वृद्धः कृषिकः लक्षरूपकाय मृतः.
For. Okay. I mean, that is possible in a different Vivaksha. But in this Vivaksha, he died because of his loan of a lakh.
Because of that,
The causal.
लक्षरूपकात् मृतः.
Rupyakat or Rupyakaibhyaha Mrataha. Either way. Because it is Bahuvachana.
रूप्यकेभ्यः लक्षरूपकेभ्यः.
I made a mistake. I mean, there is a typing error there. I put Lakshya Rupyakai. Not a typing error, it's a thinking error. I was thinking of Panchami and used Tritiya. So, Lakshya Rupyakebhyaha Mrataha is the correct one. Panchami. Akartari Rine Panchami. Ityanena Panchami Vibhakti. Rine, when Rina is the cause. Rine Hetuhu. Runaha yada, Rinam yada Hetuhu bhavati. Tada Panchami Vibhakti bhavati. Okay. The next one.
That akartari is referring to mritaha?
No. Kartari refers to the runa. When runa is not the karta, he gives the example there. Shatena bandhitaha. So the 100 caused his imprisonment. So when that is the karta, that is hetu, prayojaka karta, tadatu na bhavati, anyatha bhavati. Atra tu kartritvam nasti, rupyakanam, karanatvam hetutvam eva, hetohu panchami bhavati. Okay, it's a very easy one. Yuddhamanaha abhimanyoho vranitaha apatat. Who is next?
Radhat Swami. Radhat
apatat. Kim sutram?
From Dhruvamapaya Apadanam.
Even if Ratha is not Dhruvam, relatively it is Dhruva.
Exactly. So even though it is not, even if it might be moving, but Dhruva, there what we consider is the separation, from which there is separation, we consider that. It is not whether it is stationary or not. So therefore, it is still Dhruvamapaya Apadanam and Apadane Panchami. Okay. Next. Madhuram Subhashitam. Madhu. Padma Mami?
I don't know, but I am trying. Madhurat, Madhuram, Subha.
It is not Madhura. The word is just Madhu.
Madhuni.
Madhuni. Madhuni.
Madhva.
Madhuna, Madhubhyam. No, it is Napumsakalinga. So it would be Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubhihi.
Madhunaha.
मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः मधुनः
मधुनः
मधुनः मधुरं सुभाषितम्. So what is the rule here?
सूत्र
कथं
नकार आगमस्य सूत्रम्.
तत्र इकोचि विभक्तौ इति नुमागमः. मधु
इकोचि विभक्तौ. Yes, thank you.
इकोचि विभक्तौ. The rule is apadana. Dhrumapāye apadanam. But what we say here is the buddhikrita apadanatva. Even though there is no physical separation between Madhu and Subhashita, so Bhashyakara, in our mind, we initially have Madhu and Subhashita together, and then we separate the Subhashita and we say it is sweeter than Madhu. So buddhikritam apadanatvam adaya atra panchami vibhaktihi. Mathuraha pataliputrakebhyaha adhyataraha. So whenever we do a comparison, mentally we separate the two things and say one is better or worse than the other. So in all such cases, we use this concept of buddhikrita apadanatva. I think that's it, right? Yeah. So that is the end of the exercise. Then we are doing Shashti Vibhakti. I think we'll continue it tomorrow. Okay? So Shvaha Shashti Vibhakti Anuvartayamah.
Yeah, thank you.
एनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. नित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.